Here's a quick tutorial on how you can change your name on Facebook. First, you'll want to open your Facebook app. Once on Facebook, tap the three lines icon on the upper right part of your screen. Tap the settings icon below the three lines icon. Once on settings, tap the personal information under the account topic. On the personal information page, tap name under the general section. You can now edit the name you used on your account. Once you're done editing, tap the Review Change button. You'll be prompted to type your Facebook password for confirmation. Note that you can't change your account name within the next 60 days. Tap Save Changes to save your action. You now changed your Facebook name. Like and follow if it helped.